Hi, my name is Arief and I'm a dentist. Well, I've come across a patient with a history of pulmonary tuberculosis. So, what should I know and what do I do about it? Well, here's a video about the description of chest x-ray and lung auscultation sounds. Let's check it out. Well, there are two patterns of tuberculosis, which is the first one is primary tuberculosis, which is the initial infection, and the second one is secondary tuberculosis, where the disease reactivates after the latent phase due to declining health status. Well, in primary tuberculosis, we can actually see Gons focus. So what is Gons focus? Gons focus is a granular lesion formed by the infection. Well, in this chest x-ray, we can actually see Gons complex. Gons complex is the combination of Gons focus together with the involvement of hilar lymph nodes, and we can see there is consolidation at the top and hilar enlargement due to lymphadenopathy. We can also see Ranke's complex, which is the late fibrocalcific lesions of the lung and lymph nodes that evolved from the Gons complex. But don't be surprised because sometimes there may be no any findings in the chest x-ray. In post-primary tuberculosis, the granuloma lesion is much more widespread and it commonly affects the upper lobes. The consolidation may extend to the hilum and the hilar structures may be distorted to the volume loss of the upper lobe. Lung cavitation can also occur in this phase, where cavities are a common findings in this mycobacterial infection. Miliary tuberculosis. This happens when there is disseminated spread of mycobacterial infection. As we can see, there are very fine nodules scattered throughout the lung. The next investigation that we can do is lung auscultation. But before that, we need to know how does the normal lung sounds like. Normal breath sounds are soft and low-pitched with a little bit of rustling during inspiration and even softer during expiration. But in tuberculosis, it may produce different sounds, which is bronchial breath sounds and crackle sounds. This is because of the presence of consolidations inside the lungs. Bronchial breath sounds are a tubular, hollow sounds that can be heard when we are auscultating over the large airways. So here's how it sounds like. Crackle lung sounds. It is a brief, discontinuous popping lung sounds which are high-pitched. It can be heard in both phases of respiration. This is how it sounds like. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. We have learned about the chest x-ray and lung auscultation sounds in tuberculosis patients. Thank you for watching. Bye and Assalamualaikum.